Hey, maybe we're over here. Yeah, that's better. I streamed to the wrong channel. Hey man, this is what happens. All right, guten Morgen, como telefu, how are you? Welcome to Forex.Today, the YouTube community of more than 20,000 foreign exchange traders. We gather here today to conduct technical and fundamental analysis with the overriding goal of planning our trades in advance. Now, why would we do a thing like that? Well, because trading is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Whoa. Holy smokes. Wow, something happened to the camera, huh? Whoa, everything's weird today, huh? So I guess I'm zoomed in. I guess I'm zoomed in. Is that a little better? I don't know. Wow. So anyways, we're zoomed in today. Good to see you. My name is Wayne. I'm a currency trader. I like to buy and sell money. That's what I like to do. I like the way you trade. Cool. So today we'll go through the charts. What do you think about that? Yeah, we got big news at the end of the week. Right now we're kind of twisting and turning, twisting in the wind. So anyways, let me know how it can help. I will do my best to serve you. I am a humble servant to you. Let me know how I can help. If you look in the description below the video, you'll see a link to tradersway.com, an ethical, trustworthy foreign exchange broker that I recommend and have been recommending for 8 years because they earned my loyalty and respect. You should check them out. Open up a demo account. There's a link to my book, Strategic and Tactical Forex Trading. There's a link to investorbootcamp.com, where I'm currently creating a stock trading course. Yeah. There is a link to tradeplans.ai that gives you a second opinion on your trading ideas. There's a link to Quant-in-a-Box.co, and in fact, I gotta show you this. In fact, why don't I switch over? Tomorrow is the fourth quarter outlook. I'm going to go through dozens and dozens of charts so we can plan out the next 3 months of trading. Yeah, pulling directly out of the Fed. Yeah, very, very important meeting. It's tomorrow at noon. It's a time for you to sign up. It's a time you sign up. So what'll happen is these sessions, this is my fourth one. You guys have asked for it, so I'm doing it. They take me, what, an hour and a half to 2 hours? Cool. So you can attend live tomorrow at noon. And then I leave the video up for a week or so on the website. And then, ich kaputt, ja. Auf Wiedersehen. Then it's gone. Okay? So anyways, there you go. So if you want to attend, I will see you tomorrow. We're running out of time. Time to sign up. All right, cool. So here he is. Here he is. These are the shorter time frame charts. And CAD has lost some of its strength. Pound is still super weak. Euro is regained some of its ground. Aussie is on its mean. Kiwi, overbought. Swissy, very, very weak. Okay, so not a lot has actually changed. You see there's a little rotation into dollar weakness, and that's actually what I want to see. I want to see that. So that fits, that works for me. How about that? When we look at commodities, what I also want to see is some up in the S&P 500. I had two prices in which I was considering up. One is at 43.000, oh my, and the other one is 42.000, 4,200 or 4,300. I'm thinking we have an up day and then a down couple of days, and I might be buying the S&P 500 next week. I don't think this week, but I'll try. That'd be great. But I'm emotionally prepared for this to drop all the way to 4,200, and maybe next week I'm buying down there. But nonetheless, this works. On the smaller time frame, S&P 500 looks fairly bullish, but then you go to this longer term, and all it looks like to me is up to the 21 and then down. So I'm ready, willing, and able, but not quite yet. Okay. What do you think? Yeah. $303 wants to do like a cross pair type scenario on relative strength. Yeah, I'm okay with that. It's short term, of course, but it's all good. Bitcoin showing a little risk off, and even though I'm a risk on person, just not this week. I'm risk off this week, I'm risk on next week. Okay, so this shows a little more down is plausible. Gold is coming down, that's fine. Oil is coming down. Yep. So everything is coming down. Okay, remember we got big news later in the week. Euro Rand, big pop. Okay. Okay. Now, peso gets interesting up in here. And so if you mark like this area, okay, on a smaller time frame, it might be setting up, which is kind of nice, like this kind of move here. Okay. I covered this today at tradeplans.ai. Have you guys subscribed there yet? Say what you want. YouTube.com/tradeplansai, I think. Will it open? No, trade plans. I think it likes it when I put AI big. No, okay. Then I will do trade plans. Or do I have to do the @ sign? Is that what it's doing? I have to do the @ sign. That's what it is. Gee whiz. Could we make it more difficult, YouTube? Sure. Hey, welcome to tradeplans.ai, where you can get feedback on your trading idea in less than... All right. So here we go. Normally I would, see, here's the thing. Normally I would think this is their entry and that's their target. So there you go. Tradeplans.ai. Cool. Johnny's got a request. No, patience is a virtue. Yes. All right, right, dollar. Okay, will this one bottom out here? Kind of looks like, remember, I want dollar weakness. So yeah, this is kind of cool. Okay, we're finding our support. We're finding our support. This gets really attractive in this area here. But remember, that's very much a trend trade, and it's not currently a trend. Let me get this out of the way. Okay. What else? Euro dollar. It's dog with fleas. Dog with fleas. So that lower low sets up the lower high. Don't you stink? Okay. Bump 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 boo boo doo 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 doo. Okay, here's what I want to see on this one. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom doo 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 doo. Yep. Doo 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 doo. Take a look at here. Are we climbing the ladder? Could be. Okay, down, down. Okay, so we got to get to that level. And then the next level is here. Okay, so maybe ride the moving averages up to 60 and then buy a dip, and maybe we can get this to 61.5. Okay, little swings in there. Okay, and pig is a pig. Great big pig is a pig. Look at this, just tanking. So one of the things I covered in Investor Bootcamp yesterday in the day trading group is a reminder of how we live in the wicks. All our trades are in these wicks. Okay, so you can see yesterday. So you mark out yesterday, and then you fib it. So you create a Fibonacci study, which we call the Asian fade, and then you trade the fade in the direction of the trend. And yep, yet another Asian fade. Noise, noise. Gold, yeah, we can do some gold. Okay, we're on the 618. Okay, definitely below the moving averages, you see? The predictive and the actual. Okay. But we're respecting, at least, the 618. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. If it's going to break it, it's going to break it. But just so you know, from the highest peak, this is the 618. That's all. Maybe we're a long ways from that. It would have to go up, and then it would have to come down, and then it would have to come up, and probably even another, and we're a long ways away from that. Okay, so that's probably going to be down the rest of the week. Yep. Yen's still doing okay. Still doing all right. Made its way to 88.88. Okay, should be able to make target, don't you stink? M2 produces an M4 target. And then what? Back down to 88 or 87.50, and then a resumption to the up. Okay. Could be 303. Could be a rabbit. Got to confirm it. USD yen hit target. Okay, so now it's out of position, probably set for a counter trend. I'm hoping that means US dollar weakness. I don't want it to mean yen strength. Okay, pig is just being destroyed by everything. Okay, all that kind of stuff. Up, sideways, but riding the moving averages. Yeah, I have concerns about Aussie, but it is what it is. And yen is the thing that you should be bearish on. The big bear, of course, is Swiss franc. And I pointed this out, a week or two ago at Investor Boot Camp. Let me get these windows set up properly. There we go. And we've been stuck here on Aussie Swissy for a little bit. So be prepared for somewhat of a pullback into the moving average and then maybe a higher high. So something like this. Okay, that could be the next week or two. So there could be an opportunity there. Okay, once again, beautiful, just beautiful cray move. M2 to R3. Typically, this is where I take a walk, by the way. Okay, this is where no matter what, I'm done. Oh, but Wayne, what if it go? But no. Done. It's over. Okay, so the next thing is maybe like that in the future. Yeah, that'd be great. Okay, Euro Swissy, USD Swissy. See, I think that's going to come to an end pretty soon. Swissy Yen, I think that's a new dog with fleas. Pound Swissy, don't really want it. Yeah. I have a feeling that this is going to come to an end as well. Okay. What an amazing year, huh? Do you know what this is, this green zone? This is our projected low for the year. Happened right in the middle of the year, around Canada Day. We bounced all the way back up. Pretty amazing. This move here, I'm wondering if it'll be over and we just move sideways, because I'm basically expecting to be a bear on both of these. The United States is going to raise interest rates one more time, so that this can go up, let's say, back to the central. It could. Yeah, could. But that's what we're pricing in now, in my humble opinion. Kiwi Swissy. Okay, this was me yesterday in the day trading group. I was doing that Asian fade pullback training. So I marked the top, I marked the bottom, and I have it doing this. So maybe. Could be a rabbit, could be. So we did dollar pairs, yen pairs, we did commodities, so we did gold. I guess I think I probably did WTI pretty quick, but I have it marked in here. And so what you probably should be doing if you're a bull is deciding where the future 21 is going to be, and you might want to consider trading that. So one trick that the Wayne has is the zero lag 21. Oh, forgot to make it fatty. Okay, right now we're below it, so that's bearish, but if this adjusts, okay, if we get back above it, it may be a nice little opportunity. So it looks like maybe down for the rest of the week, and then maybe we're buying it up next week. Okay, interesting, right? Can China Evergrande default cause some risk off? Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's all kinds of things. Higher CPI, a terrible GDP, Evergrande default, yields on the 10-year going to 5%. Oh, yeah, there's all kinds of vulnerabilities, for sure. But I think it's going to set up for a nice October, as Lucas says. But we have to be careful because that's what I want, but that doesn't mean that's what's going to happen, right? So, but right now, I have to observe and be patient, all that kind of stuff. So, and an update to everybody in for every investor boot camper in the day trading group or swing trading group. Apparently, I have a dentist appointment, which I've already pushed off once. And apparently, I got it rescheduled for today. So I'm not going to be able to make the meeting. I have to go to the dentist. Make sure I have good gums. You know, I gotta be responsible every once in a while. So I apologize for that. I put it off for my Cuba trip. I tried to reschedule it, and they're like, "You said you were going to Cuba, and this is the rescheduled appointment." I'm like, "Oh, okay." So anyways, I got to man up for that. Cool. So I apologize, but that's it. So no swing trading meeting today. And for everybody else, tomorrow is the Q4. Q4 Global Market Outlook. You got to sign up. You got to sign up. Johnny says hygiene is kind of important. I guess so. So, hey, man, I got to jump, babe. That was real. Peace on earth. May the pips be with you. May your profits be above average.